Breakdown with your man, the Black Barbie Swagger. Let's get it. YouTube fam, what's going on? Today we are breaking down my Sig XM7. Starting up front, I got a rugged razor 30 cal suppressor, a PHL V2 Mar head with a Mar body, arrow sucker light mount, a EOTech OGL for my laser device. I'm rocking two Unity hot buttons on this one, not the complete pad. I'm running a light button and also a laser Mar button, rare scale dragon dragon texture panels, rare scale foregrip. Sliding on down to my optic, I'm rocking a reptilia FVE scope mount with a offset reptilia Leupold offset mount, but I actually have an EOTech E-Flex on there. They're the same footprint pattern, so it works. A Vortex 1.6 razor, Amnex Defense throw level. I mean, I actually like these a lot. And everything else is just factory stock from how the SM7 was made. A couple key features that I do like about the SM7, the ambient, stable select, bolt catch, and mag release. Also have a two-stage trigger. And one thing that I like a lot is the side charging handle. If I take it out, you can charge here or the traditional way. But I mean, I like both, but have swing points up front and in the rear, and then you also have the stock fold. So if you need to put it in a bag, or you need some more room, the stock does fold. I think that's a key feature on the Sig MX7, and that's just a quick breakdown on my Sig MX7. Appreciate it, YouTube fam, and I'm out.